Hi friends, Vanakkam and welcome to Conversational Tamil through English lessons. In today's lesson, let's learn Tamil words and phrases related to daily activities like where are you going, when are you coming, etc. So, shall we start now? Let's start with the first question. Where are you going? In Tamil, enge pogireergal. For where it is enge, are you going is pogireergal. So it is enge pogireergal. Then what do you eat? நீங்கள் என்ன சாப்பிடுகிறீர்கள்? You is நீங்கள், what is என்ன, eat is சாப்பிடுகிறீர்கள். நீங்கள் என்ன சாப்பிடுகிறீர்கள்? How is your work? உங்கள் வேலை எப்படி இருக்கு? That's right. உங்கள் வேலை எப்படி இருக்கு? Your is உங்கள், work is வேலை. How is that is எப்படி இருக்கு? So it is உங்கள் வேலை எப்படி இருக்கு? Do you like your work? உங்களுக்கு உங்களுடைய வேலை பிடிச்சிருக்கா? So for you it is உங்களுக்கு, your will be உங்களுடைய, work is வேலை and like is பிடிச்சிருக்கா. So உங்களுக்கு உங்களுடைய வேலை பிடிச்சிருக்கா. Next one will be when will you come back? எப்பொழுது திரும்ப வருவீர்கள்? When is எப்பொழுது? Come back will be திரும்ப வருவீர்கள். So எப்பொழுது திரும்ப வருவீர்கள்? Use this. இதை யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. This is இதை. For the verb use it is யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. So இதை யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Cook food. உணவு சமையுங்க. Food is உணவு. Cook again is Samaiyungal. So it is Unavu Samaiyungal. Put it in the cupboard. Alamaariyil vaiyunga. Cupboard is alamaari. Put it in will be vaiyunga. So it will be Alamaariyil vaiyunga. Then what are the plants? Sedigalukku thanneer ootrunga. So plants is sedigal. Watering will be thanneer ootrunga. So it will be sedigalukku thanneer ootrunga. Wash the car. Karai sutham seyunga. So wash is sutham seyvadu. Wash is sutham seyunga. Car. Karai sutham seyunga. The same way you can tell for bike. What will you say for bike? Give a guess. Yes, பைக்கை சுத்தம் செய்யுங்க. So for wash it is சுத்தம் செய்யுங்க. Then I am feeling sleepy. So it will be like எனக்கு தூக்கம் வருது. So I am will be எனக்கு, feeling sleepy is தூக்கம் வருது. So it is எனக்கு தூக்கம் வருது. Wake me up at 6 o'clock. It will be ennai aaru manikku ezhuppunga. So me is ennai, 6 o'clock will be aaru mani, wake is ezhuppunga. So it is ennai aaru manikku ezhuppunga. Let us learn how to say the time in Tamil. Okay, for 1 o'clock it is oru mani. 2 o'clock will be rendu mani. For 3 o'clock will be moonu mani. So for 4 o'clock, yes, it's 4 mani. 5 o'clock, 5 mani. 6 o'clock, 6 mani. It goes on like this till 12 o'clock. For 12 o'clock it is 12 mani. Immediately a question will rise like how to say as 1:15, 1:30, everything. All that we'll see in another video. Let us not confuse ourselves with so many time and Tamil. Now, let us learn today's special phrase and words. Today's special word will be want. It is venum. Like I want coffee, I want tea. See, I want one plate idli. In Tamil it is enakku oru plate idli venum. So, one plate idli will be oru plate idli. I want is venum. Okay. So, enakku oru plate idli venum. Okay. With this, let me sign off. Before you sign off, please ensure that you have subscribed and shared my video with your friends. Okay, if you give a thumbs up to this video, I'll be more than happy. Also, please drop down all your doubts in the comments box. I'll clear your doubts there. Okay. Now, bye for today and nandri.